Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 3, the midnight visitor from the book Footprints Without Feet. In this lesson, the midnight visitor, from the title you can imagine that there was some person who came at the midnight to visit somewhere. Okay, so this title said something to us. Okay, the midnight visitor. What is there in this lesson? There was a one spy is there. Spy, you know, jasus. Okay, that spy is very well and very famous, and he was investigated about some such a crime. At that time, he had some suspicious evidence with him. So, to bring that suspicious evidence, some person came to his room, and what he would do with him, if he gave that evidence to that person or not, what he would do with that person with his intelligence, everything was given beautifully in a humorous way in this lesson. So let's see what is that lesson. Ozable, a secret agent, is expecting to get a very important report. Ozable is the main character of this lesson. Ozable, he was the secret agent. He was expecting to get a very important report. Means he was waiting for a very important report. Another secret agent, Max. There was another secret agent name was Max. Threatens him with a pistol, demanding the report, and onto the room of the Ozable. When he was stay, it was onto the hotel room. Okay, so whenever he was resting or met with the some person, at the same time, the another spy, another secret agent came, whose name was Max, and he was putting down the pistol in front of him and trying to asking about that secret report. Does Ozable outwit him? Outwit means hoshiari, chaturai. Okay, can he beat him with his intelligence or not? What is the story about this lesson? Let's discuss in detail. Ozable did not fit any description of the secret agent Fowler had ever read. Fowler is a name of the another character in this lesson. There are two characters introduced in the first paragraph. One is Ozable, who was the secret agent, and another is the Fowler. Fowler came to meet with Mr. Ozable, who was the secret agent, and Ozable did not find fit to any description. If you see about the secret agent, how it was looking like, he was fit, handsome, tall. Okay, he has a masculine body, but Ozable was not fit in this description in a secret agent because he was short, he was fat. Okay, गोलू मोलू टाइप सा वो person दिखता था. So he was not fit into the description of the secret agent. Following him down to the musty corridor of the gloomy French hotel where Ozable had a room. Ozable was lived in the room. The description about that room was given here. It was musty corridor. Musty corridor means a very dirty corridor, and gloomy. There was a very much dust were there. Okay, in which this secret agent Ozable was lived. Fowler felt let down. Fowler felt let down. He felt let down means he got the disappointment after seeing the because he came there with a lot of expectation that he was this kind of, because the secret agent was living in the place where the lot of technology and lot of machineries were there, but he couldn't find anything here, so he felt let down, means he got the disappointment. It was a small room. He showed that there was a small room on the sixth and the top floor. It was on the sixth and the top floor. There was a small room, and scarcely a setting for a romantic adventure. There was a very little, scarcely means very little, बहुत ही कम setting for a romantic adventure. Okay, there was no romantic adventure he could find there. Ozable was for one thing fat. Here given about the physical descriptions of the Ozable. Ozable physically looking like a very fat fellow. He was a fat, okay, and then there was his accent, and then there was his accent. Accent means the language tone, okay, which kind of the language he was speaking, that is another matter, but the pronunciation of the proper word is depend on the accent. Though he spoke French and German pass by. He was spoke German, both language, French and German, both language pass by means easily. He can speak both the language easily. He had never altogether lost the American accent he had brought to the Paris from the Boston 20 years ago. See, here given the detailed information about this Ozable, that Ozable, the secret agent, came to the London. He was came to the London from the Paris, okay, and from the Boston. Sorry, not from the London. He came from the Boston to the Paris. So in his tone there was an American accent was there, and he came before how many years? 20 years ago. You are disappointed, Ozable said. After observing that person, after observing the Fowler, he find out that he was expecting too much about the secret agent, but he got the disappointment. So he told directly to the Fowler that you got the disappointment. Over his shoulder, he was put down his hand on his shoulder, and he told him that you got the disappointment. You were told that I was a secret agent, a spy dealing with the Appalachians and danger. Someone was told you that I was a secret agent, I was a spy. Spy means jasus. Okay, those who are dealing with the crime thing, that is called crime matter, that is called spy. Okay, so he was expecting that kind of the spy who was in very handsome looking, but he was totally disappointed, and he told, Ozable told to that directly. You wish to meet me because you are a writer. You wanted to meet me just because you are a writer, young and romantic. You want to write something onto the crime, so you came here to meet for me. You envisionated mysterious figures in the night. You are finding about the mysterious avenians, means different. Okay, different mysterious figures at night. The crack of the pistol, drug in the wine. Okay, you are expecting about the crack of a pistol and a drug in a wine, means you are thinking that this kind of the atmosphere you will find when you reach here, but you didn't find anything from that here. Instead, you have spent a dull evening in a French music hall with a sloppy fat man who instead of having message slipped into his hand by a dark-eyed beauties, get only the prostic telephone call making an appointment in his room. You are expecting instead of means uske badle. Okay, you are spending a dull evening, means a bad evening with in a French hall music to a sloppy fat man, means a fat man. He was talking about himself, that he was expecting that whenever he reached to the Ozable room, he will find many beauties. Okay, dark eyed ladies were there, everything atmosphere were romantic there, but he cannot find anything from this. You have to be bored. You are getting bored. The fat man chuckled to himself as and unlocked the door of his room and stood aside, let the frustrated guest enter. Okay, and he opened the door of his room and he stand from the side of the room so that that frustrated man can get entered into his room. You are disillusioned. As Ozebel 10. Disillusion means you are not feeling well. Okay, Ozebel asked or told to him. But you take cheer, my young friend. He told that no need to worry about that. You have to be a chill. Presently, you will see a paper, a quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. But you will get happy after listening that very soon you will find a paper for that many men and women were risked their life about that paper. Come to me, come with me. Okay, Ozebel said this word to the Fowler. Fowler came here, okay, for writing someone, and he want that secret report. Someday soon that paper will affect the course of the history. Okay, some day will come that this paper means this report will be effect of the course of the history. In that thought is drama is there or not. Okay, he was telling everything fact to the Fowler. As he spoke, Ozebel closed the door behind him. When he was speaking, Ozebel closed that door behind him. Then he switched on the light. Okay, then the light was at the time of the enter into the room, the light was off. So after entering into the room, he switched on the light. And as the light came on, whenever the light came on, Fowler had his first authentic thrill of the day. Whenever the light was on, at that time Fowler, who came to meet the Ozebel, the person who was the secret agent, and the first thrilling scene was started after lighting was on. For a halfway across the room, small atmospheric pistol in his hand, stood a man. Whenever they both entered into the room, one man was already standing in the room with a small or automatic pistol in his hand. The strange man was stood in that room. In this picture, you can say the person. You can see about this person, fatty person. You can see in this picture, that is Ozebel, and behind that person is a Fowler who came to meet him. This is the room of the Ozebel in which he was living. Whenever they entered in this room by this door, okay, they entered this room by this room and switch on the light. Whenever they switch on the light, the person was stood in front of them. Okay, in front of them in his hand, you can see there is a pistol, automatic pistol in his hand. He was trying to shoot that both the fellow, and he came probably asking for that secret report. That's why he came here, because many of the men and women were behind that secret report. So hope that he came for the that secret report. His name was a Max. Okay, he was also a secret agent. This is the Ozebel. You can see this is Ozebel. Okay, this is Max, a secret agent, and this fellow is Fowler, who came to meet Ozebel. Okay, clear picture is clear in your mind. Okay, friends, let's see ahead what will happen. Ozebel blinked a few minutes. Blinked means stunned. He was blinked means he didn't understand anything for some time. Max, he wazed. Max, he identified that person who came to that room. Max, you gave me quite a start. You gave me quite a start means you gave me a surprise. I thought you were in a Berlin. Ozebel told to the Max that he was thinking that you are into the Berlin. Berlin is the name of a city. What are you doing here in my room? What are you doing here? Ozebel told to the Max, that why are you coming here? Max was a slender, a little less than a tall, with the features of the suggested slightly and crafty pointed confidence of a fox. See here, given the physically description about the Max, how he was looking like. He was looking like slender. Slender means dubla patla. Okay, a little tall. He was not less than a tall, मतलब ज़्यादा लंबा भी नहीं था, ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं था. That is called little than the tall. Okay, and suggested he was slightly crafty and pointed the. He was looking like fox. Okay, contenance of a fox means he has an characteristic like a fox. Fox is a very wise animal. वो fox जैसा चालाक दिख रहा था. There was about his aside from the gun. So he was there was because he has a gun. Nothing especially minching. Okay, there is nothing in specially minching means इससे ज़्यादा कुछ खास नहीं था. There was nothing more than this. The report he murmured. Murmur means अपने आप ही बोलना. ठीक है. He was speaking that I want that report. Who was speaking? Max speak to that person. The person who was standing in front of him. Both the person, Ozebel and Fowler. They both was standing in front of him, and this person Max murmured that I want that report. The report that is being brought to you tonight concerning some new missiles. I thought I would take from you. It will be safer in my hands than in yours. Okay, he ahead told that I came here to bring that report. Okay, it will be safe in my hand. Okay, it will not safe in your hand. So I came here to collect that report, and you must give that report to me. So Ozebel got the surprise to listening that. Ozebel moved an armchair and sat down heavily. He didn't give any kind of the response or any kind of the expression to that person. He slowly moved towards the armchair and sat down heavily. Why here heavily word is written there? Because he has a heavyweight body. I am going to rise a devil with a management this time. And he was speaking something. What he was speaking something different from the expectation. He was speaking different from the expectation that he will going to complain about the management of the hotel. Okay, about this. Okay, what was the why he was saying like that he was complaining about the management of the hotel, and you can't be bet on it. You will do nothing on it, he said grimly. Grimly means smile ke saath. Okay, with a smile, that I will complain the hotel management. This is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of the balcony. Okay, he told that this has happened second time in this month that some person entered into my room from that window, from that balcony. Just because of that balcony, anybody can enter into my room, and this incident has happened second time in this month only. So I will going to complain about the hotel management. Fowler's eyes went to a single window of the room. There was only one window in that room, and Fowler showed that window and indicate that window, behind that window there was a balcony under the underside of that. So any person can climb on that window and came into his room, and he will going to complain about that thing, that anybody can enter into his room. It was an ordinary window. If you see that window, it is a very ordinary window, against which now the night was passing blankly. Okay, if you see from that window, there was nothing seeing there. There was only and only darkness were over there. Balcony, Max said with a rising inflection. Max shows his inflection, Max shows his expression that balcony, which balcony are you talking about? Okay, he was getting surprised because there was he find out when he came into the room, he observing the entire room and he didn't find any balcony over there. So which balcony he Ozebel talk about, that he didn't understood. No, Pasky, I did not know about the balcony. Okay, no pass key. I am come with the pass key because I have a duplicate chavi or duplicate key of your room. So I came or I entered this room from not from the balcony. It might have saved me some trouble had I know. Okay, if I know about the balcony previously before that, so I will not get the trouble to stolen the key, duplicate key, and came here. So I didn't know about any secret balcony that is behind the window, that I didn't know about that. It is not my balcony. Now Ozable explained about that window and balcony that it is not his balcony. Ozable said with the extreme irritation. He was become irritated, चिड़चिड़ा हो जाना. Okay, he was getting the irritated and told that that was not my balcony. It belongs to the next apartment. That balcony is belong to next apartment. By mistake it was put it down downside of my window, so any of the person can come from that apartment to my room. Okay, easily entered. He glanced the explanatory at the fowler. He glance means धीरे से उसकी तरफ देखना, that is called glance. Okay, he looked towards the fowler. You see, he said to that fowler, you see, तुमने देखा है, this room is used to a part of a large unit. Before many times, before many years, this room was a very large unit, and the next room, it was connected with the next room through that door. There was, you see that door, it was included. There was before some time there was no door. There was a huge room before some time, but after some time it was putting down the wall here and put it down the door there, so it was converted into the two room. Okay, used to be a living room. Before that it was using as a living room. It had the balcony with the extents under my window. Now whatever the scene were there before make this room, before some time it was a huge room or a living room, consider you can. Okay, so it was extended under my room now. So balcony was under my room, but it is not from the window of the my room, it is window from the another room, but it is the balcony that is the downside of this window. He explained that from that anyone can easily come into my room. You can get into onto if you the empty the room of the two doors down, and somebody did. Last month the management promised me to block it off, but they haven't. If you go the downside of the door, okay, downside of the room before two room, if you go downside of the this apartment, if you go, then you find out that balcony easily. Okay, from that balcony any person came enter into my room. I complained about before 1 month some person already entered into the my room this way from the balcony. So I complained to the management of the hotel, and the management promised me to close or blocked this way, but they didn't block this way. So I am got very irritable about this. Max glanced at the fowler, who was standing stiffly not far from Ozable. Max glanced to the fowler. He was watching the fowler, who was completely stand here. He was not far from the, वो दूर नहीं खड़ा था फाउलर से. Okay, Ozable से फाउलर, they both were standing together and waved the gun to the commanding gesture. And commanding gesture मतलब उसकी तरफ जो है वो हाथ करके वो उसको इशारे से बताता है. That is called commanding gesture. Please sit down, he said. We have to wait half an hour, I think. He told them that you can sit because we have to wait for half an hour. I think that we are waiting for half an hour. 31 minutes, Ozable said moodily. Ozable explained the exact time of their waiting, that we were waiting for the 31 minutes. The appointment was for 12:30. I wish I know you have learned about the report, Max. Okay, our appointment was about the 12:30, and Ozable told to that person, that another secret agent Max, that you came here for bring the report, right? The little spy smiled evilly. Evilly means बहुत ही ख़राब वे में वो स्माइल करता है. एंड वी विश टू नो हाउ योर पीपल गॉट द रिपोर्ट बट नो हार्म हैज़ बीन डन. आई विल गेट इट बैक टू नाइट. वॉट इज़ दैट? who is at the door? Okay, now what happened there? Now he was told that Max told that I want that report right now because your people, means Ozebel's people, got that report with very heavy efforts, and so he came here to bring that report tonight only. The same that time someone was knocking on the door and he was getting surprised. Fowler jumped at to the sudden knocking the door. Whenever the door was knocked, Fowler was sitting onto the rocking chair and he suddenly get up and jumped from his place. Ozebel just smiled. Ozebel was sitting there only with a very शांत, बराबर एकदम शांत बन के वो बैठा हुआ था. ही वॉज स्टैंडिंग विथ अ वेरी पीसफुल माइंड. ओके, दैट विल बी द पुलिस, ही सेड. Ozebel said this word, Ozebel speak this word, that there will be a police who were outside of the door and knocking the door. So Max get feared. I thought that such an important paper as one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. So Ozebel told to the Max that this is a very important paper and I thought that this paper need an extra protection, so I called the police. So police was standing outside of the door. Ozebel told this word to the Max. I told them to check on me to make sure everything was all right. And he also added that I told that policeman, okay, to came to my room this time and to check that everything is going good or not, or everything going smoothly or not. Max beat lip nervously. Now Max was getting feared about the police who was he thought that the police was standing outside of the door, so he get the nervously. The knocking was repeated. The knock was again and again repeated. What will you do now, Max? Max, what will you do? Policeman was there. If I will give you the report, from when will you run away? Ozebel asked the Max. If you do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. If I do not answer the door, if I didn't open the door, they will enter anytime. The door is unlocked because I didn't lock the door, and they will not hesitate to shoot. And if once the police came into the room, they will shoot you. I told them. Okay. Max's face was black with anger and backed swiftly towards the window. Max was getting very angry to listening that there was a police outside the door. So he get backside swiftly, means fastly, towards the window, because he knows that before some time Ozebel explained that there was a huge balcony downside the window. So he thought that he jumped from the window onto the balcony and he run from there easily from the police. Some another time he will come to get the report. So he thought like that. He swung a leg over the sill. Okay, he swung means उसने एक पैर विंडो के ऊपर लटकाया. Send them away. He warned, और उसके बाद दूसरा भी वहाँ पे पलटा दिया और उसको वार्निंग दिया. He warned to the person. We will wait on the balcony. I will wait on the balcony. Means he told that behind this window, downside, there was a balcony. Actually, the situation is that outside of the window there was totally darkness. Nothing can see. Okay, because there was total at the time of the night, so no one can see what is there into the outside of the window. But as Ozebel explained about that, there was a balcony that downside the window. So he told them, I jumped from this balcony and I jumped from this window and went to the balcony. So I am waiting there. Fastly you send that police away, otherwise I will shoot you. Send them away, I will shoot and take my chance. If you are not sending the policeman, that I will put my chance because I have a gun. I will shoot you. The knocking at the door became louder and the voice was raised. The person who was standing outside of the door was again and again knocked the door, and Max get the very fearable mood. Mr. Ozable, the person who was standing there, who was speaking about Mr. Ozable, he was speaking like that. In this picture, you can see that this is the Max who was pointing out the gun towards the Ozable, okay, and he was standing on the window. He tried to jump from the window into the balcony. Outside of the window, you can see there is total darkness, and this is the person, okay, who came to meet that Ozable, whose name was Fowler, who was very shocked in mood. But Ozable, look at the expression of the Ozable, he was very cheerful mood. So this was the condition at that time. Keeping his body twice, okay, he was keeping his body twice means he moved to try to jump outside of the room, so that the gun still covered the fat man and his guest means that Fowler, and fat man is Ozable. So he was pointing out the gun towards that both the person. The man at the window grabs the frame with his free hand and support himself. Then he swung the other leg over the window sill. First he tied the window with his hand, and after that both the legs he was moving around the outside of the window. The doorknob turned. द डोर नॉब मीन्स जो दरवाज़ा होता है उसकी जो कड़ी होती है वो धीरे से टर्न होती है. इट वॉज टर्न डोर नॉब. स्वीपली मैक्स पुश हिज लेफ्ट हैंड फ्री फ्रॉम द शील एंड ड्रॉप द बालकनी. ओके, मैक्सवेल क्या करता है, ही लेफ्ट हिज बोथ द हैंड फ्री हिज बॉडी एंड जम्प्ड फ्रॉम द विंडो ऑन टू द बालकनी, which he expected that there was a balcony downside of the window as Ozable told to him. Ozable ने उसको कहा था कि विंडो के नीचे जो है वो बहुत बड़ी बालकनी है, तो उसने सोचा कि वो बालकनी के नीचे ऊपर जंप कर देगा विंडो से और वहाँ खड़े रहकर वो वेट करेगा. जब भी पुलिसमैन वहाँ से जाएंगे तो वो वहाँ पे आके Ozable को अगेन गन पॉइंट आउट करेगा. एंड देन ही ड्रॉप्ड इनटू द स्क्रैम्ड वंस शैरली, और बहुत बड़ा देयर वाज अ ह्यूज साउंड वर देयर. द डोर ओपन द सेम टाइम, जैसे ही वो जंप करता है, वेन एवर ही जम्प्ड फ्रॉम द विंडो एट द सेम टाइम द डोर वॉज ओपन. और पुलिसमैन नहीं आते, वहाँ पे कौन आता है, अ वेटर. Who was standing there? A waiter stood there with a tray. उसके हाथ में, in his hand there was a tray, a bottle and 2 glass. Okay, here is the drink for your order for when you return. When you return, what was the waiter told to that Ozable? Here is a drink for you. You are whenever you were returned, you ordered that a drink. He said and sat the tray on the table, driftly uncorked the bottle and left the room. So he put it down that tray on the table and briefly uncorked the bottle. बॉटल खोल देता है, टेबल पे रख देता है और रूम छोड़कर चले जाता है. White face Fowler stayed after him. Fowler got the surprise and shocked both the same time. उसका चेहरा जो एकदम सफ़ेद पड़ जाता है और ही स्टैड घूर के देखता है किसकी तरफ, Ozable की. Ozable प्रूव हिमसेल्फ दैट ही वॉज द रियल सीक्रेट एजेंट विथ हिज इंटेलिजेंस. ही स्टमर्ड द पुलिस. ओके, फटाफट वो बोलता है, फटाफट पुलिस बुलाओ. देयर वॉज नो पुलिस. Ozable साइन. Ozable कहता है कोई पुलिस नहीं है. ओके, देयर वॉज नो पुलिस, ओनली हेनरी whom I was expecting. वो हेनरी है, वो मेरा वेटर है और मुझे पता था कि वही है, बट मैंने झूठ बोला. आई वॉज टोल्ड अ लाई टू वो मैक्स को यहाँ से भगाने के लिए. दैट्स वाई आई टोल्ड दैट देयर वॉज अ पुलिस कोई आने वाली नहीं है. बट वॉन्ट दैट मैन आउट ऑफ द बालकनी. लेकिन उसका क्या, जो बालकनी के नीचे खड़ा है पिस्तौल लेके, वो अभी चढ़ के ऊपर आ जाएगा वापस. अगेन ही केम एंड शूट अस. फाउलर बोलता है, ये भाई कुछ करो फटाफट, बराबर है. Ozable बोलता है, Ozable उसको रिप्लाई देता है, नो ही विल नॉट कम, डोंट वरी, ही विल नॉट कम. बोलता है बालकनी में चढ़ने में कितना टाइम लगेगा, व्हाट टाइम ही विल फाइंड. ही वॉन्ट रिटर्न, वो कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा. क्यों, पता है वाई ही विल नॉट कम. यू सी माई फ्रेंड, देयर इज़ नो बालकनी. Okay, there is no balcony outside of the window. They were living on the 6th floor. छठे माले पे वो रहते थे और विंडो के नीचे कोई बालकनी नहीं थी. He made just drama. बराबर है, उसको भगाने के लिए वहाँ पे उन्होंने ड्रामा किया था और उसको ये बात पे कन्विंस कर दिया. ही कन्विंस दैट पर्सन मैक्स दैट देयर वाज अ ह्यूज बालकनी डाउन साइड ऑफ द विंडो. सो ही शो हिज इंटेलिजेंस एंड ही शो अबाउट द about his from his intelligence. The Max was ran away from that and he was totally died after getting from the 6th floor, after jumping from the 6th floor. What happened with Max, that we can imagine that. Okay, Robert author was the writer of this lesson. So friends, this is the lesson about the midnight visitor. I hope you all guys are enjoy and understood this lesson. Whatever I explained word to word, line to line regarding this lesson, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF. You have to write down that question answers in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about new topic, new lesson. Okay, bye.